Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by assembling essentials and taking the first concrete steps. Install Arduino IDE and Python 3. 8 or newer, then install PySerial with pip. Connect your Arduino over USB and identify the serial port name, for example COM3 or /dev/TTY USB 0. Once done, open Arduino IDE, load a minimal sketch that sends or receives serial text, and upload it. Make sure to close the IDE serial monitor before Python opens the port, so the device is available to your script. Now you write the code that links both sides and understand why it works. On Arduino, call serial. Begin 9600 and send data with serial. Println, match that baud in Python. In Python, import serial and open serial. Serial com3 9600, timeout equals 1, then read lines and decode to UTF-8. Use a loop with try/except to handle intermittent errors and a short sleep to avoid busy waiting. Once the loop reads stable data, you can parse values, convert types, and respond back using serial. Right. Finish by making the connection robust and learn one key troubleshooting tip. Close ports cleanly with serial. Close, and handle Arduino resets on upload by delaying the first message. Make sure the baud matches exactly and use a good USB cable and stable power source. If you still see garbled text or no data, check that your OS grants access to the serial port and that no other program holds it. As a quick fix, restart the IDE or system and reopen the port in Python.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.